Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you some slime hacks. So, the first one is to understand the science behind slime. Slime is a reaction using PVA or borate. PVA stands for polyvinyl alcohol, and when it comes in contact with borax, it starts a slime texture. PVA can not only be found in glue, but also in peel-off face masks and some famous Korean lip glosses. The second hack is to be able to find out which glues actually have PVA so they can create slime. But most that contain PVA don't have it written on the package. To test if your slime is white when it comes out of the container, and then when it dries up, if it's clear it contains PVA. At the moment I am just testing which glues will make a good slime. The third hack is, why is borax banned in some states? It is because borax is a chemical called sodium borate. They have shown that it has too much skin exposure to borax and that it has identified hormonal problems. This is why a lot of countries decided to ban borax to lower the chances of this happening. Now let's get on with actually making some slime. So this is an old slime that's really rubbery, the balls keep on falling out, and I just really don't like it that much. And I have a hack that I made up that really helps. So firstly you just need to melt it, so this is what I got after melting it. And then you can go ahead and add some nice food colouring or some paint to make it your choice colour. After mixing that in, it was still kind of like more like a slime texture, but it was definitely melted from what it was before. So I went ahead and reactivated that and mixed it all together to get the perfect textured slime. It was pretty hard to mix though. It didn't seem to activate very well in the bowl, so I did some more off camera, and then this is the final result. Bye, thanks for watching.